Alrighty, let's do a casino tour today. So as we walk in the casino, that's coming from the center area right there. I'm not exactly sure what they call that out here on deck 6, but you're gonna walk in. On the right hand side is gonna be a bar. Let's go down these. Hopefully we don't get copyrighted because the music is pretty loud. But we're gonna start off with Cleopatra 2. We got Cats, Texas Tea, Wolf Run, Lucky Larry, Lobsters Mania. Ooh, we got Gold Spin. We got the Amazing Money Machine, Gold and Sapphire, and another Deluxe Gold Spin. All right, that was Wheel of Fortune. Let's see what's on the back side here. This side we've got, oh, you got your poker games. Ultimate X, obviously there's a lot on every machine. They got Spin Poker, that's my favorite. I love Spin Poker. And as we go down here, we've got another Wheel of Fortune. Then you got Hot Hits. I'm not a big fan of Hot Hits. So far, I haven't seen any games that have blown me away. We got another Wheel of Fortune. On this side, Mystery. Let's see what's on this side. Mystery game. Hopefully that's a good one. Not exactly sure what it is. No way, all mysteries. Oh, here we go. So this is going to be Heat 'em Up and Ultra Gold Rush. More mystery. Wow, they got a lot of stuff turned off. Not liking that. Did we ever see what was on this side over here? We didn't. Let's go back here real quick. Wild Country. We've got the one with the sweet treats. We've got Deep Sea. We got That's Bananas. More Wild Country there. So far, feeling a little mid. We already saw that side. Let's see what's on this side. We've got the Red Rider. I do love these. I love these games. Red Rider, Lil Red. We got Spartacus, Mystery of the Raw, and another Red Rider. Oh, this is a cool one. This is a new one. Bingo Frenzy Stampede. It's actually a good one. I actually like Bingo Frenzy. This is one if you get the bonus, it's like a bingo card, and every time you stamp it, every time you get a stamp, it shrinks. Then you got Spirit Link, Dance of the Dead. I've actually never seen that one, I don't think. What else we got here? We got a Fate of the Power Wheel. We've got the Jolly 8s and Happy 8s. So that was pretty much all the slots on this side, except we got some all aboards right here. Got all aboard. All aboards right there. We got some table games. We got Blackjack. We've got Roulette. More Blackjack. Let's see what else we got going around here. Blackjack, Roulette. You got two craps tables in the center. Ultimate Texas Hold'em. I love how everything's in black. It's so sharp. You got more Blackjack. Pays 3 to 2. That's good. Blackjack pays 3 to 2. That's what it said. More Blackjack pays 3 to 2. Ooh, min 50 it says. So I guess some of the bigger ones. It's on this right here. We got 3-card poker. You got a craps table in the center. You got 2 roulette tables. Blackjack pays 6 to 5. So the 15 single deck pays 6 to 5. And then, wow, look at these. I've never seen these before. Buffalo High Limit and Pompeii High Limit. I've never seen those before, actually. You got the, I can't think of the name of these. But Dancing Foo. Dancing Foo with the gold stacks. Basically, it's a good game. But these things right here come and they expand. Kind of right there. They expand right there. Another mystery game. Probably going to be another one of those Dancing Foos, I would imagine. It's probably a whole bay of them. So far, not blown away, honestly. Let's see what we got here. We got some Foo, Lee Lane, the Jackpot drums, Prosperity. We got some Prosperity drums here. We got Happy and Prosperous. You got your Dragon Links. You got a bay of Dragon Links, Happy and Prosperous. We got some quick hits on this side over here. Quick hits. I do like the quick hits. 250 bet on those. Quick hits. You turn around, you got Timberwolf Gold and Buffalo Gold. I do love some good Buffalo Gold. We're coming here towards the end. We will go check out the smoking area though. Ooh, we got Heidi. A whole bay of Heidis. Heidi. I love Heidis. Prost. Now these are new. You got the Monopoly Expresses in here. Let's see what's on this bay over here. You got the Rich Little Hens. I like the Rich Little Hens. It's a good game. And then we've got, can't think of what the name of this one is. Lion Link. There you go. This is Lion Link. It's actually a good one. Lion Links, Autumn Moon, Panda Magics, more Dragon Links right there. Then as we come around this side, you got the Cage right there. So if you got a cache, you got the Cage. This side, you got more Rich Little Piggies. We got Dragon Legends, Fire and Gem, and Aqua Gem. Rich Little Piggies. A lot of Rich Little Piggies. Got a lot of the same kind of games. Here we go. Here's a good one. And we got Huff and Puff. Money Mansion. That's a new game. That's a good one. Kind of so far, some of the games, mid.
It doesn't look like it's newly updated necessarily. I mean, a lot of the new popular ones, there's no...
No Mulan, there was a Monopoly, but they say here's a cage, and then kind of cool, there's the cage. But if you come in here, we're going to go see the smoking section. So basically walk down this door. It looks like it shouldn't be open, but it is. This is the smoking section. It's slammed. Got a bay here, a couple bays back there. some poker. Honestly, a lot of people in here currently. Maybe we'll come in and get a video of it later. So that over there is the entrance to the regular casino. And then you see that right there, that's the Den Casino. Den Casino is right in those doors. Den, this is an extended casino, and I thought it was closed, but it was not. I was incorrect. So this is the Den Casino right here. Originally it was high limit, but it's semi-high limit, but not really. So you got top dollar, awesome, minimum $6 spin right there. We've got a Wheel of Fortune, beautiful slot machine there. Got a private roulette table. Now this is $25 on the outside and $5 on the inside minimum. Little seating area. This is where the blackjack tournament took place. So you got some blackjack tables, a whole bay of Monopoly Express. Whole bay of Monopoly Express, love that game. Ultimate Texas Hold'em, minimum 25. What else we got over here? You got more blackjack. Then we got some Dragon Links, a little higher limit. These are minimum $5 on the Dragon Links, and the Buffalo I think is minimum of $5 as well. So you got a whole bay of Buffaloes, minimum 5. Pretty good. Major 2,500, major 12,000. Not sure what bet that's at. I think that's a maxed out major, 12,500. So some cool ones there. You got another, so mainly blackjack in this room. That's a minimum 200 blackjack. So if you're a high limit player, minimum 200, max 3,000 on that table. So you got blackjack, you got some Monopoly Express, but this is the Den area, a little more of a high limit secluded area. It's a little outside the casino, a little bit of a walk, but a nice little area if you want to come and play some slot machines.
Alrighty, and that was the casino here on the Resilient Lady on Virgin Voyages. I'll be honest, on my favorite casino, but we haven't played yet, so maybe it is the best one it sees. Check out our channel, our videos, our tours, everything to do with Virgin Voyages and Resilient Lady. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.